Alright, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Isuzu D-Max LSU Extra Cab Ute, stock reference number 5466. The shape runs from the 11th month 2016 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the chrome radiator grille, right hand headlight, TJM steel bull bar with all bolts, brackets, and a dominator winch. Does have some damage on the flap for the winch. Left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror in chrome, indicator type, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, aftermarket long range fuel tank. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard has no damage. Right power door mirror in chrome, indicator type. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch, 2-switch type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Leather top center console lid. Manual type console. 6-speed manual gear shifter. Climate control. Heater controls. Interior mirror. Left sun visor. Right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.